Today is your day. You got this. Ignore anyone who tells you otherwise because you're amazing. The only thing more beautiful than your smile is your personality. More than capable to take on the world, the whole world, by storm. Speaking of the world, did you know that it's a better place because you're in it? You're strong, you're confident, you're intelligent, you're charismatic, you're the total package. On a scale from 1 to 10, you are an 11. Don't forget it, okay? Do not forget it. Take the day by storm and remember this. I'm proud of you.